For over 150 years, Downer has helped to keep Australia moving. And today, we're enabling communities to thrive.
Hi, I'm Peppy, a Boilermaker apprentice here at Downer's Maryborough Rail facility. I work on wagons as part of Downer's Freight and Motive Systems business. Throughout high school, I wanted to be a lawyer, but I did work experience at Downer and I decided that I wanted to be a Boilermaker here. After graduating school, top of my engineering class in Year 12, I commenced my Boilermaker apprenticeship and I haven't looked back. Working in Downer's Freight and Motive Systems business is great. I'm either overhauling wagons to help keep our nation moving, or I'm working with our engineering team on how to decarbonise the existing fleets and help our customers achieve their net zero goals. At this facility, I do lots of welding and grinding. I put things together, weld brackets under trains and fix cracks in wagons.
We are excited about our future in the rail freight market, where we are offering customers the full spectrum of design, manufacture and maintenance, as well as decarbonisation and digital solutions.
I'm so proud of the work I do here and how our work enables communities to thrive.